Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Since we are currently discussing only the headlines, let me tell you some good prompts through which you can create some good headlines. Now, there are many prompts to create a good headline, and I will put a file in the description of this video through which you can create some headlines for your own. That would be a cheat sheet for you guys, but let me practice a few in front of you. For example, I can create a headline by using the first prompt by referring a current event. Okay, now I can write a headline like would you not be interested in keeping Biden from taking 25% of your earned money? No, there is some curiosity in this specific headline. Okay, now I can sell almost any product in this. Okay, specifically the one which are exempted from taxes. Specifically in our country, in Pakistan, the whatever you earn from the online platforms is exempted from taxes till 2025. I hope the tradition will continue later as well. Anyhow, by that headline I can sell them any online course. Okay, now if I want to create a headline through making a comparison, okay, how could I make a comparison? Painful with a question mark, 1 cup of coffee a day or a monthly Netflix subscription. Okay, in this copy I can do the comparison of the price of my product and a monthly subscription that the so and so person has already taken. I will prove him that my product is only worth the price of 1 cup of coffee a day. Okay, by that it will sound a little bit easier for that person to invest in my product. Now, asking a question, this strategy mostly works when you are writing the emails, the subject of emails. If you will use the questions, I think those questions create so much curiosity within the mind of the readers, within the mind of the receiver. Okay, how can I write a question? Let me think. Okay, for example, you can simply put the topic of your email like, are you mad? Okay, now that would sound a little offensive, but what if a person opens and finds out that the entire line is, are you mad about Trump not attending the presidential election? Okay, now the headline was catchy, it worked as a hook so that people could open your email, but when they will open they will find, oh, I actually misread this. You didn't misread it, you read it very well, but it was a way of the writer to grab your attention. Okay, now once I could remember that I attended the webinar of a person and I left that webinar within the mid of that, and do you know how I received an email of that? Okay, he sent me an email like, I am not mad. Okay, this was the topic of the email, and I was about to get angry that who is he to be angry on me. But when I opened his email, it was like, I am not mad at you leaving my webinar earlier. We know that life is quite busy these days. Okay, so that is the trick. That is the trick the writers mostly play while you are reading their copies. Okay, now guarantees also contribute much to the attention of your reader. For example, if you write guarantee, money back guarantee if you promise not to download our content. Okay, now these headlines are also quite eye-catchy. Why would on earth I will download if I have this fear of losing my money back guarantee? You see, many influencers do that. Similarly, if you will go for showing urgency, you can write it like, hurry up, only 5 seats left. Now, such urgency also catches the attention of your readers. Scarcity and scare, they are both always interlinked. Now the return on investment, everybody wants to know that what I will be getting in return if I invest my time, if I will invest some of my money in so and so product, how would I get it back? Okay, so ROI is also one of the major ways to persuade a person to invest in your product. Okay, this could also be done in the form of a question: would you not be interested in earning 5 grand a month? Okay, now this is the question, and this could be the possible ROI for investing in your product. There are many other prompts that I have put in description. Just go over there and read those and try practicing on your own. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you very much. Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.